So, how do you even get crypto in the first place? You can use on-ramps. These are services that let you buy tokens with a bank card or transfer. You just pass a quick verification and get tokens like a PT or USDC sent directly to your wallet. It's easy and perfect for beginners. Another way is P2P or peer-to-peer. You send money directly to another person and they send you the tokens. It's flexible and often doesn't require an ID, but you need to be cautious. You already have crypto. You can bridge it from another blockchain, like moving tokens from Ethereum over to Aptos. Then you can swap them for what you need. Where does all this trading go down? Well, it happens on centralized exchanges, or CEXs, like Binance or OKX. These platforms are super user-friendly, with sleek interfaces and tons of trading action, making them perfect for newbies. But here's the thing, they hold onto your funds for you. On the flip side, we have decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. With these, you connect your own wallet and trade directly. No accounts, no KYC hassles, just you and your assets. You've got full control, which is awesome, but it also means you need to be extra cautious since it's easier to trip up.